The sun dipped low over the Ganga, casting golden ripples across the sacred waters. Jesus Christ, his sandals worn from a journey through the Indian subcontinent, sat cross-legged on a mossy rock beside Ravi Shankar, the sitar maestro. The air hummed with the scent of sandalwood and the distant murmur of the river. "Tell me," Jesus said, gazing at the flowing Ganga, "what makes this water so holy?" Ravi Shankar smiled, his eyes reflecting the sky. "The Ganga is not just water, Jesus. It is the mother of life, a mirror to the soul. Her currents carry the prayers of millions, washing away sin like ash. To drink from her is to taste the infinite." Jesus nodded, then reached into a satchel, pulling out a small, hand-carved bong. Its bowl was wide, its stem coiled like a serpent. "I brought this from the hills of Galilee," he said, lighting the bowl with a flame from a nearby shrine. "It's a vessel for peace." Ravi Shankar chuckled. "A vessel, yes, but the Ganga is a vessel too. Both carry the essence of the divine." Jesus inhaled deeply, the smoke curling upward like a prayer. "It's strange, isn't it? The same breath that fills this bong also moves the Ganga. The same spirit that calms the storm also calms the mind." Ravi Shankar leaned closer, his fingers plucking a soft melody on his sitar. "The Ganga's waters are said to cleanse the soul, but even she cannot wash away the truth, only the illusion of separation. You, Jesus, taught that the kingdom of heaven is within. Perhaps the bong is your answer to the same truth." Jesus laughed, the sound blending with the river's song. "A bong? Fat pulls from a massive bong." He gestured to a colossal bong, its bowl the size of a wheel, resting on a stone altar nearby. "I saw it in a village. The villagers call it Ganga's breath, a symbol of the river's eternal flow. When I took a pull from it, the world seemed to pause. The noise of the crowd, the weight of the world, it all dissolved." Ravi Shankar's eyes widened. "You've tasted the mile, the illusion of duality. The bong is a bridge between the finite and the infinite. Like the Ganga, it carries the essence of the divine." They sat in silence, the smoke between them weaving a thread of connection. Jesus exhaled, watching the plumes rise toward the stars. "The Ganga teaches that all is one. My message is that the kingdom of heaven is within. Perhaps the bong is the meeting point of our paths." Ravi Shankar nodded, his voice soft as the river's whisper. "In the Ganga's flow, there is no separation. In your teachings, there is no separation. Even the weed, when burned, becomes a bridge." As the stars emerged, Jesus and Ravi Shankar shared another pull from the massive bong, their souls entwined in the smoke, a testament to the unity of all spiritual truths, flowing like the Ganga, endless and eternal.
Thank you for subscribe. 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 Thank you